Let us talk about installation overview and general guidelines when it comes to downloading and installing softwares in Mac. On Windows, typically we use .exe or .msi. MSI stands for Microsoft Installer. We typically download those types of files and just double click on them and perform either typical installation or custom installation if we want to change certain properties while installing the softwares. On top of .exe and .msi, we also use Microsoft Store to actually set up applications directly from there. When it comes to Mac, we can actually download files of format PKG or DMG, and we should be able to install those directly. We will see those details when we actually start installing all the important applications as part of this Mac. On top of .pkg and .dmg, Apple also have App Store, and we should be able to install certain softwares using Mac App Store. So here we need to set it up before we start using this App Store, and you can actually go to this App Store and you can see the recent updates with respect to the applications that are already installed. All the applications such as Pages, Numbers, Keynote, etc. are available as part of the App Store. These are all Apple's proprietary products. On top of these things, we also have third-party softwares, and we should be able to download and set up those softwares directly using App Store. One such application is WhatsApp. We can actually search for WhatsApp here. So there is a typo here. Let me fix this. And we should be able to see the WhatsApp here. It's a free software, and hence we should be able to click on Get and Install App, and it will take care of downloading and installing WhatsApp desktop app on this Mac. Like this, you have many other softwares. You should be able to set up all those things here. So here we need to enter Apple ID and password. So let me give my Apple ID and also password. Now the app is being downloaded and being installed on this Mac. So here it is sending the verification code. I have to enter that verification code, and it automatically verified it. And now it will actually download and set up this WhatsApp desktop app on this Mac. So it is still being installed. Let it complete and then we'll take it further. Now the installation is done. We can actually click on open, and it will actually open up the WhatsApp desktop app here. However, we need to complete the setup process by scanning the QR code, and then we should be able to use the WhatsApp desktop app on this Mac. Like this, we can set up any software. It not only provide applications such as WhatsApp desktop, it also have Microsoft Office, which can be downloaded and installed directly from App Store. You can see here. So this is how you can use App Store to set up the softwares on top of downloading and installing files of format PKG and DMG. We'll actually see examples with respect to downloading and installing softwares of format PKG and DMG when we actually set up all the required softwares that I typically use on this Mac.